Welcome back to Car Tech, where we bring you the hottest car reviews in the game. And today, we've got an absolute beast on our hands, the 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R. If you love power, performance, and pure off-road dominance, this is the truck you need to see. The 2025 Raptor R comes with a supercharged 5.2-liter V8, the same monster found in the Shelby GT500, cranking out an earth-shattering 720 horsepower and 640 pound-foot of torque. Mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse delivers an aggressive yet refined drive. With upgraded Fox Live valve shocks and an even beefier suspension, this Raptor isn't just about speed, it's built to conquer any terrain. Ford has made some serious exterior tweaks to make sure this Raptor R stands out. A wider stance, massive 37-inch all-terrain tires, and a bold, blacked-out grille with a Ford spelled out in commanding fashion give it an aggressive look. The hood features a functional heat extractor to cool that supercharged V8, and the updated LED lighting adds a futuristic touch. The skid plates and reinforced bumpers ensure it's ready for the roughest trails. If presence on the road matters, this truck dominates it. Step inside, and the Raptor R is just as thrilling. The cabin is loaded with premium materials, including Recaro sport seats wrapped in leather and Alcantara. Carbon fiber trim pieces add a high-performance vibe, while the massive 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 15.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system ensure cutting-edge tech. Ford's SYNC4 software keeps things seamless, and there's a banging B&O sound system to match the truck's raw power. For a high-performance off-road truck, the comfort level is surprisingly good. The Recaro seats are supportive yet plush, offering excellent comfort for long hauls. The adaptive suspension soaks up bumps like a dream, whether you're crawling over rocks or cruising on the highway. Rear passengers get plenty of legroom, and with features like heated and ventilated seats, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof, it's a luxury experience wrapped in ruggedness. Performance is where the Raptor R flexes the hardest. The 720 horsepower supercharged V8 launches this beast from 0 to 60 in just over 4 seconds, insane for a full-size truck. The off-road capabilities are unmatched, thanks to Barger mode, locking front and rear differentials, and a sophisticated terrain management system. Whether you're tackling sand dunes or mud pits, the Raptor R makes it effortless. Braking is strong and responsive, giving you full control even at high speeds. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor R is the ultimate off-road performance truck. It's loud, powerful, and unapologetically aggressive. Ford has taken an already insane formula and cranked it up to 11. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just want the most commanding presence on the road, the Raptor R delivers in every way. That's it for today's review on Car Tech. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know, would you take the Raptor R off-road or keep it as a street king? See you in the next one.